Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our show and thanks for joining us in this fantastic occasion.
This afternoon, we are going to see the children of the third level at the beginning of the show. First of all, they are going to dance a nice song called The 8 Little Kids. And then they are going to present us on stage, the show.
Please, give them a big hand.
When we need a pack for everybody. Thank you for coming and enjoy the show. Little kid, come here. Listen to me, dear children. I'm going to the forest to get some food. Beware of the big bad wolf. He's got a red voice and black feet. Don't open the door, okay?
For each one of you.
But the kids knew it was not their mother. No. We will not open the door. You are not our mother. She's got a sweet voice, and your voice is grand. You are the big one wolf. Away, wolfie.
What can I do? What can I do? I'm hungry. Yes, I know.
The wolf.
No. Open the door, little children. It's your mother and I the delicious something delicious for each one of you. So I here.
The wolf ran back to the house of their little kid.
No. Open the door, little children. It's your mother and I've got something delicious for each one of you.
Number 2. Hide under the chair. I said hide under the chair. Little kid number 3. Hide inside the carpet. I said hide inside the carpet. Quick, little kid number 4. Hide under the table. I said hide under the table.
Quick, little kid number 5. Hide under the carpet. I said hide under the carpet.
Quick, little kid number 6. Hide under the bed. I said hide under the bed.
Quick, little kid number 7. Hide behind the door. I said hide behind the door.
Quick, little kid number 8. Hide inside the closet. I said hide inside the closet. The wolf into the room and started looking for the keys.
Little key, where are you? Chair, have you seen a little key?
No, not here.
Let me look in the behind the chair. Well, a little key. Well. Chair, have you seen a little key?
No, not here.
Let me look under the chair. Well, a little key. Have you seen a little key?
No, not here.
Let me look behind the door. Well, a little key. Clock, have you seen a little key?
No, not here.
Let me look behind the clock. No, not here. Let me look on top of the clock. No, not in the when in volunteer. I'm tired.
Little children, where are you? Oh no, what a mess! Little kid. All my little kids. No, Mother, I'm here inside the clock. The big one was. It has eaten my sister and brother. Now was asleep under the bed, all three. Quick, get the scissors and threads. Cat, little kid number one. Cat, little kid number two. Cat, little kid number three. Cat, little kid number four. Cat, little kid number five. Cat, little kid number six. Cat, little kid number seven. Now go and get heavy stones. One stone here, so. 2 stones here, so. 3 stones here, so. 4 stones here, so. 5 stones here, so. 6 stones here, so. 7 stones here, so. Finish. The goats all hide behind the tree. Then the wolf gets up. He is very thirsty and goes to the river to drink some water.
Order in full and tired. I'm going to read the return rota.
Aquí is a baby.
the bobbing up, the wheels on the bus, 5 little monkeys, and head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, oh, oh, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, wind it back again, oh, oh, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands up on your knees. Toes, 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 eyes and ears and mouth and nose, and toes, toes. You come so brilliantly. Let's come now. Read that all words. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, knees, toes. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, knees, toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, knees, toes.
To present the song called
Old MacDonald Had a Farm and Twist by students of Shizuki.
Let's have a big hand for them. The students of the 5 years old.
Let's have a big round of applause for them.
If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy. happy, happy, clap your hands. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet, stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're scared, 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 say oh no. Oh no. If you're scared, 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 say oh no. Oh no. If you're scared, 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 say oh no, say oh no. If you're scared, 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 say oh no. Oh no.
The seaweed is always greener if somebody has his leg. We dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. So wonderful things surround you.
tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your head. Head. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your foot. Foot. Put it on your leg. Leg. Put it on your arm. Arm. Put it on your chin. Chin. Put it on your nose. Nose. Put it on your head. Head. Now let's wave goodbye. Goodbye.
Rain